record about 5 or 6 tracks. And then I'll do a mini mix. Now, a mini mix, to me, it's a mix that you're going to mix down to one track. Like, see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 tracks here. Now, I don't want the program to get too big and start slowing down and crashing. So what I'll do is I'll be happy with all these. I'll put all my effects on them. Be happy with this, the levels. You know, I'll go into my mixer board. I'll do a mix. Okay, I got 2 dissonant things going here, but you can see what I'm talking about. I'll get my mix to a place where I like it, and then I'll do a mini mix. I'll export this whole file, this whole project. I'll export it as WAV to one file. I'll name it something else. Maybe I'll name it like Mix 1 or something. And then what I'll do is I'll start a new project. And I'll import that thing I just mixed down, go into audio, and I'll bring that up. Like, say it's this. I'll bring that up. But I'm not done with the song. I have a lot of tracks to go. So you go back to what you were doing before. Add stereo track. I'll do 5 or 6 more tracks. I'll mix that down. I'll re-import it. Record another couple of tracks if I have to. Also, too, it's got this cool thing here. Move track down, move track to bottom. Like, say you're in a hurry, move track down. Move track to bottom. Like, say I wanted it on the bottom, I was doing something. Alright, we'll go back to the other file. Move track to bottom. And now it's on the bottom. Say I wanted this to be next to here. I was doing something with it. Alright, that's good to know. Spectrograph I showed you. That shows you little pops and quirks and sounds that you can get in there and edit and delete, amplify. Or if there's a pop in there, say it's right here, and I can't fix that, I can't do anything with it, I'll do an X cut sometimes. Then I'll do a copy and paste like that, and see if I get lucky and that gets rid of that noise, that pop. Split stereo track. Okay, go back to waveform. Split stereo track. I mean, when you're doing mixes, this is sometimes helpful. Where I can do this now. I can take, this was 1 track now, but it's sort of like 2 now. I can pan this wherever I want, and this same signal I can pan wherever I want, and I can decrease the levels. It's very useful. That's called split stereo track. Now to go back to what I was doing, the way I had it before, make stereo track, and it's back to where it was. It's just 1 left and right stereo. That's 1 stereo signal, left and right. Okay. This is the end. If I do a fade out, you know. But, you know, hopefully this helps people who are just trying to learn a kind of a complex program in a short period of time. Swap stereo channels. I'm not sure. I don't really use a wave color. Not sure. Format, that's depending on your computer. That's kind of important. I think mine's 16-bit. Rate is what we were talking about before. You know, that's another thing when you export wave. Yeah, like depending on your computer, it should say on your computer or in your settings what you're running, it's 32-bit or 16-bit. So be mindful of that. Other than that, this is a good start for anybody. Oh, name track. Okay, test. Okay. Yeah, test, so you don't get confused on your mixes. And that should be about it, really. Should definitely have a good grasp of how to use the program, I think, anyway. Hopefully you can see that. Apologize for the flickering, but I guess that's just video. It kind of went away now. There it is, back. Oh well, it is what it is. Okay, this is Time Modern over and out. Modern headquarters. Saying over and out. Pan around here. Studio.